If you want to speed up your coding with AI but don't want to pay for GitHub Copilot, Codeium might be exactly what you're looking for. And yes, it works in Visual Studio. Codeium is a free AI code completion tool that helps you write faster, cleaner code with real-time suggestions without needing to switch tools or pay monthly fees. It's lightweight, powerful, and easy to set up. To use it in Visual Studio, go to the Extensions tab right here and search for Codeium. Once you have searched for Codeium, just click on it and then click on Install. And then once it installs, restart Visual Studio. Now from here, just click on Trust, Publisher, and Install. And now you can just start typing in any supported language like Python, Java, or C hashtag. Codeium will suggest full lines or blocks of code intelligently predicting what you're trying to build. You can hit tap to accept or keep trying to refine it. It also understands context across multiple files and functions, which helps reduce repetitive coding. And once it's free, it's a great Copilot alternative for students, solo developers, or anyone who wants AI assisted coding without the cost. This is how to literally helping you code